So my name is Nixon Mutasa. I work with the African Humanitarian Action as a mental health nurse. We are very happy to be collaborating with East Africa Medical Center. They support us with improving access to healthcare to the urban refugees, especially the Eritrean, Ethiopian, and all the urban refugees. As we commemorate today the World Refugee Day, we are so happy of the free medical services they are going to provide for whoever that needs the services. And then we also acknowledge the timely and effective referrals that they provide to us. They help us identify communities that are vulnerable, people that are vulnerable that need any form of medical support, and we work very well and collaboratively with them to make sure that all refugees receive or access services without anyone being left behind. So we want to appreciate all the services that they provide to the community and also acknowledge all the support they give to the community, and we look forward to supporting the refugees.